Hello everyone, we are Team Outliers and our problem statement for the Google Hackathon is uneven access to quality education in the digital age. We are mainly focusing on Solidity and blockchain education. So the current scenario for this is there are very limited free resources available and the ones that are available follow a theoretical approach. They are less in number and their quality is quite questionable. Of course, there are official documents for each blockchain, but they are difficult for a beginner to follow through and they are quite time consuming. So our solution for this is BlockchainLabs. So we offer courses that use project learning approach. Like other programming languages have lead code to learn coding, nothing like this exists for Solidity. So we aim to provide that. There is no setup required, meaning there is no need to install space consuming libraries. You can code online and get instant feedback through Gemini API. You can track your progress and achievements. There is leaderboard and community engagement as well, so you can compete with other users. Coming to the system architecture, for front end, we've used Next.js. For authentication, we use Google OAuth. We have used Gemini 2.0 Flash model for generating responses. These responses and requests are handled by our Flask server. We've used Solidity compiler to validate the code. For storing data of users and courses, we use MongoDB database. This is our project. As you can see, we've already logged in and here we can request a new course. So let me start a lesson. So this one is a theoretical lesson. There is also a AI chatbot pop-up here. So whenever you get any doubts in the course, you can just ask here. The response is obviously generated by Gemini. So since this is a theoretical course, we are planning to implement quiz at the end of each lesson. So here in the dashboard, you can see that one course is completed after you have completed the course. This is a Solidity course. So at the end of Solidity course, we have added a challenge to code out a problem statement. Once the requirements are met, you can go to the next lesson. This is the Solidity practice arena. Here, the problem statement will be generated according to your difficulty level by Gemini. It contains requirements that need to be met by your solution. You can also ask for your suggestions according to the code you have typed on the editor. So once you feel like all the requirements are met, you can go ahead and validate your code. So the Solidity compiler checks and validates the code, and AI checks if the requirements are met. So once you've completed, your level increases. You can also switch difficulty levels and you can see on your dashboard that your levels have increased. Thank you.